Morning, guys. Sun's rising behind me. We're going for a little walk today. I'm expecting this to be a pretty popular trail, but let's go check it out. I didn't think this hike was going to happen this morning. I didn't get any sleep last night. So, poor Lucy, she was hacking like crazy, which isn't all that uncommon. But then a couple seconds later, she just started yelping. And Annabelle picked her up. And she was like limp. We thought she was dead. And I grabbed her. And she kind of came back too. But I couldn't sleep after that. So I'm pretty tired. But I really wanted to do this hike. And puffing. This is kind of my first. This is my first hike. I guess real hike since leaving Wisconsin. I'm kind of feeling it. But it's pretty, it's quiet. I've only seen 2 people on the trail, which I guess I thought there'd be a lot more. So I'll take it. I've been vlogging with my Canon M50 for years, and I decided to try using my Canon R, and I don't know yet how I feel. It's definitely a lot heavier, kind of weak. But at the end of the day, we'll watch the footage and see if we'll stick with this or go back to the M50. Got a bloody nose. It just doesn't happen very often. Actually, I don't really ever get bloody noses from hiking. So We're just gonna sit here until it stops bleeding completely before we continue. And I think we are gonna continue. We're not gonna go back. I think that's the plan. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna skip the overlook and just work the trail back, because to go to the overlook you gotta go up top, and with my nose right now I don't want to do that. So we're just gonna do the trail. I've slowed way down, hoping that it doesn't start bleeding crazy again. We'll just finish this loop and head home. Maybe we'll try again tomorrow. True or not, I don't know. We're gonna call that the halfway point. So take that third of a mile hike up the mountain for pretty spectacular views. But like I said, we're gonna skip that today. We're just gonna head back to the camper. These benches throughout this trail, it's kind of nice. It saved me back there with the bloody nose. Lots of places to stop and rest if you need to. Oh, well, can you hear the coyotes in the background? It's a little windy, you might not hear them, but they're yipping their little heads off. That's a safe bet to say that's probably the entrance to the caverns. So if that's the case, these hills right here are probably the caverns. But I talked about it yesterday. You can't film in the caverns. You can't take pictures in the caverns, except for like the third Saturday of the month. And it's a Wednesday, so we're not going to be here to film, so we're not even going in the caverns. It's like $23 to go in. If I can't share it, I'm not really interested in doing it, so we'll be skipping this trip. it was enjoyable. Wasn't too strenuous. I think all trails calls us easy, and the Inex backcountry calls it moderate. I would say it's more moderate, but it was easy enough for a guy with a bloody nose and a bum knee to get it done. I'm gonna go eat some breakfast, clean up my face, and see what we're gonna do today.